All right, so here it is, my Publix haul or Publix heist for the week. This is $113.89 worth of goods. It's all said and done. I had an overage money maker of $9.08. And as always, that total includes the tax. So we got to keep it real on our coupon boast here, real accurate. Okay, it's for the week of August 18th to August 24th, or August 17th to August 23rd if you live up north out of the state of Florida. So today is Thursday, August 18th, the first day of the sale where I am. I'm down south. And I'm going to be doing this every week. So please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right off and do them the rest of the week. Because as we know, sometimes the About a rebate goes away. Sometimes the coupon's out of print. Sometimes the sale goes away. Sometimes they're out of stock. So, the quicker you get this information, the better. Also, trying to build my channel up, so please hit the thumbs up, hit that like button so I can build my channel up. So let me get right into, about 15 or so best deals of the week. Some of the deals did last week. Some of the deals I did in extra savings book coupon that I did a couple days ago. And, I did some of them again, some I didn't, but I'll touch up on those just so you can see those deals if you didn't see the video. If you want to see the video, it's at the end of this video. I got a link for that. All right, so Centrum vitamins, man, I get these a lot. These are $9.59, and there is a manufacturer printable. I don't have it on the table, of course, but I got the link to print the coupon below. There's also a Publix digital coupon for that as well. So $9.59 for this regular price. $3 off from the extra savings book on any Centrum tablets, 80 count. So we just made it 80 to 120. And $3 manufacturer printable coupon. So that's now we're up to $6 off. And then coupons.com has a $3 off rebate, so making that only 59 cents. All right, and here's the deal I did last week, and did it again. It's great deal. I did a little different this time. So I got Sundown Vitamin C Gummies. I got Sundown Zinc right there. That was $6.99 for the gummies, $5.19 for the zinc. I got Nature's Bounty Kids. It's $5.99. That's a great deal. That was $5.99. Nature's Bounty Selenium is $7.29, and Nature's Bounty Zinc $5.99. Added up to $31.45 for all those. In my other video, I did it where it added up to $30.05. Because you want to get over $30, you want to get over that $30 threshold, because there is a $10 rebate that you get back. So you want to get over $30. I did get it back. It is a virtual Visa gift card. I don't know where to use these things. I hate them because I never can find a place to use them, but I will this time for sure. Anyways, so adding all those up is $31.45. What I did here is I used 2 of the Sundown store coupons right there. Nice if you can see it, $3 off. So I used 2 of those. I used 3 of the Nature's Bounty store coupon. Got 3 right there. So that's another 3. That was $9 off. That was $6 off. I used 1 gummy, $3 off of the gummies. 1 $2 off of any Sundown product. I used this $2.50 off. It does say optimal solutions. I read it as on any one vitamin or supplement, so that took $2.50 off, and another one took $2 off. Now if they don't let you use that one or this one, there's also a manufacturer printable, and there's also a digital coupon for that. And for the kids, there is a $2 off from the coupons.com site, and I've got the link to print that below. So all said and done, as I said, $31.45 for these gummies, $6 off from 2 of those store coupons, $9 off from 3 of those store coupons, $3 off from that, $2 off from that, $2.50 off from that, $2 off from that, $2 off from that. Also, there is a coupons.com rebate for $1 off, and there is a $2 off coupons.com for the Nature's Bounty kids. Now I haven't gotten those back yet. Hopefully I will. So that it would make it an $8.05 overage on these. And always check the clearance table because I got these for $4.99. So you're and $7 worth of coupons. These were on clearance at some. So look for all these. Also the Flintstone. I did that deal. I showed you that deal in another video. So if you didn't watch the video, you know these deals are in that video. All money makers. If you can find the Flintstones on clearance, the one at Dannon. Always check the clearance table, as I say in every video. So as I said, $8.05 overage on those. Keeping going. Splenda water enhancer. This is another deal I did in my extra savings. I did not do it this week. I did not come in back in Ibotta, but if you still have it in Ibotta, it's $2.50 off in Ibotta. They're $4 each, and there is a manufacturer printable for $2 off any Splenda. So making those a $1 overage. All right, let's keep it going. What do we got next? Silk oat milk. Regular price is $4.99. It's on sale for $3. And there is a manufacturer printable coupon from the website. I got the link to print that below. I took $1 off, and also Ibotta has $1 off of it, making that only $1. Tasty Bites entree. $3.39 for this, and in Ibotta there is a free. It's a free product. Ibotta rebate. It does take only $3.24 off. So $3.24 off. Yes. So it does not take the full price off. Come on, Ibotta. No, come on. I mean, still only 15 cents for that. There's also some that are like $3.79. So there's $3.39 or $3.79. They're in the dry grocery aisle, so making that only 15 cents. So great deal on that. All right, Carbona. The way I did this one, I did one of the laundry stain scrubbers and one of the washing machine cleaners. Both of them $3.29 each, so with tax $3.54 each. However, they're BOGO this week, so you get both of them for $3.29, $3.54 when you factor the tax. There is a hang tag. They're from the carpet cleaners, but they work on any Ibotta products. I used two of those hang tag coupons hanging from the product. That's called a hang tag manufacturer coupon. So that took $1 off and another $1 off. I used two of them. So $3.54 spent, $2 off from those hang tag coupons. And then Ibotta has 75 cents off of one of them and 50 cents off the other one. So check your Ibotta. And then I used Ibotta. Any item was 25 cents off, making those only 4 cents for both of them. Silk yogurt alternative, same kind of thing here. These are, let's see, you're allowed, if there's no limit on a coupon, you know, this one states 2 identical coupons per shopping trip. This one had no limit, and I just kept hitting the browser back, print, hitting the browser back, and it gave me all different pin numbers, so 8 different coupons. So I was allowed to use 8 identical coupons for that one. So go to that website, as I got the link below, and you print out, hopefully you can print out 8 of them. I used 1 for the silk oat milk, and I used 7 for these silk yogurt alternatives. Regular price for them are $1.99. So for 7 of them, you're talking about where are they? Oh, I don't have them in my total. $13.93. And as I mentioned, they're on sale for $1.25 each. So for 7 of them at $1.25 each, you're looking at $8.75. I used 7 of these coupons. That's $7 off. So it was only $1.75 for those 7 yogurts. And as always, I was working up to something. I had my $10 off of Sprouts competitor coupon. Expires 8/21. So as you know, I do try to do these competitor coupons are close in proximity, maybe less than 5 miles to a Publix, and they usually accept them. They have a list, and customer service will tell you what they accept. But I was able to use that, so I got $10 off my total. So keep going. All right, the way you do this one, Stoneyfield Organic Kids Yo Baby or Yo Kids. I got the Yo Kids. I got 2 of them, and I mixed it here, and I'll tell you why. I got the 6 count of the cups, and I got the tubes, 8 tubes here. So these are $4.99. These are $4.99. These are $4.89. However, they're BOGO this week, so you're going to pay the higher price. You're going to pay $4.99 for both of them. And Publix digital coupon for $2 off of 2. So that came off. That took $2 off. And there's a bottle rebate for 75 cents off of, I believe, that one, and 50 cents off of that one. Check your body, you might even have more. And then there's a bonus if you buy 2 unique ones. That's why I split it up and I got 2 different ones, because that actually gave me another $1 to the good, another $1 bonus on Ibotta, so only 74 cents for both of those. All right, the worst deal on the table, and man, I didn't do too good on this, but it happened. So these are already $3.99 each, $7.98. They're BOGO, so $3.99. And there is a coupon for 75 cents off. I used 2 of those. Man, if you watch my videos, I never do deals this bad. But this is it. I paid $2.49 for both of those. There's about a rebate for the bigger size, and I knew it was for the bigger size. I was hoping it would come off. It did not come off. So, oh well, I lost, but I still made. So here we go. Suave deodorant. See. Let me show you something here. So Suave deodorant, these are regular price $2.67. So for 2 of them with tax, you're looking at $5.74. However, they're on sale for $1.99 each. So when you factor the tax, that's $4.28. Publix digital coupon for $3 off of 2. It's kind of like Axe, Unilever, all these Suave. It's just a mix. So I used that, and that took $3 off. And then there is an Ibotta rebate for 50 cents off. As I said, I got all my digital coupons clipped. I got all my Ibotta rebates clipped. So the Ibotta rebate is 50 cents off. However, it took $1.50 off of each one. So that was $3 right there. So paid $4.28. Publix digital coupon took $3 off. 2 Ibotta rebates at $1.50 each, as it was a mistake. So that took another $3 off. Had $1.72 overage on that. So make sure you got that clipped. Make sure you got all your Suave Ibotta rebates clipped, and hopefully you get it to work. I said, did a bad deal here and I got lucky here, so you know what happens. All right, Vans protein. I got the protein ones. So these are $3.69 each. So for 2 of them, you're looking at 2 of them you're looking at $7.38. But as I said, the BOGO, so you pay $3.69 for both of them. There is a manufacturer printable coupon. Got the link to print that for $1 off. I used 2 of those. I think it might even say, looking at that, it might say 1 per person. So bring someone with you. They didn't say nothing to me, so you know, take your chances on that. But worked for me. They took both of them. So let's see, $3.69 spent, $2 off from the printables, $1.69 total. And I got the link to print that below. All right, let's get to the hot dogs. Sahlens hot dogs. These are regularly $5.99. As you see, I got 2 of them, so that would be $11.98. However, they're BOGO, so you get both of them for $5.99. There's a manufacturer printable coupon. It does say a limited 2, so you're allowed to use 2 of those. It's $2 off of 1 pack. I got the link to print that below. So that took $4 off, making those $1.99 for both of them. So good deal for 2 packs of hot dogs. All right, Dannon light+fit. These are regular $1.50. They're on sale for $1. Publix digital coupon takes 75 cents off. It's only a quarter for that. Help me reach my $75 threshold as always. So I got $10 more off. So once again, let's see, $113.89, and I had an overage moneymaker $9.08. So once again, please subscribe to the funny looking guy right there. Check out my other paid to shop videos. Check out my extra savings. The link is right there. And everybody hit the like button. Everybody enjoy their couponing.